everybody.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
One more. Hey! Guys, dito kami sa Villa Antonio. Birthday ni Caleb, kaya andito kami. So, kasama ko yung mga ate ko, yung bayaw ko, at si Caleb. Di ba, nak? Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Caleb!
Birthday yung pala ng tita niya, kaya dito na kami mag-celebrate. So, alas 8 yung bukas ng Villa Antonio. So, wait na lang natin. So, here's my two pamangkin. Say hi! Hi! Ganda na dito, guys. Kaya napili ko talaga ang Villa Antonio kasi napaka-nature vibes nung lugar. Ganda, oh. Ayan, oh. So, malinis, mapuno, malamig, very organized. Yan, kung makikita ninyo. Oh, I like it. You're so excited naman. Wait lang na.
Why are you doing that? I'm hungry. Okay. You want some dog food? Why are you giving this to me?
Wow!
Okay, thank you. Hello po, good morning. Sa kami, sir. Dala ako ng ano.
Look at Mama and smile.
Are you hungry? Hey, why are you smelling it? This is not good.
Caleb, you have something surprise.
Yes, you're afraid also.
Here's our videographer. Hello. Ito pala si Heidi. Papika. Dalihan mo.
Alayin mo naman konti.
Picture mo na kami. Tingnan, buka ka ng ganon. Aray ko.
Happy birthday to you. Hindi yung birthday to. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Wow! Wow! Duling. Kaya duling. Sarap! Uy, ito gusto ko. Sarap. Ah. Are you going to swim na? Are you excited? Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
Did you say happy birthday to Tita Dina?
You say happy birthday.
Say happy birthday Dina. Dina, dali, you will kiss Dina. Dina.
Happy birthday.
Yung isa lang, Dada. Love you.
I'm not scared.
Yeah.
Enjoy. Nice cake.
Just enjoy, ah. Okay.
Have fun, okay?
Yes, I'll enjoy and get fun.
But don't go too far, ha?
Okay.
Sleep.
Hindi talaga yun, yung nalaglag.
Hindi pala yung naka-envelope.
Ito Caleb ba? Tingkit mo.
Kaya pala yung gift mo, nak. Oh, what will you say to Tati?
Thank you.
What will you say to Tati? Thank you.
Don't open yet.
Excited.
Ito yung house na.
Hi, Pachoy!
Napunit na loko na.
Aww.
Ah, 2,000.
Yeah!
I'm so rich.
You're so rich now. Oh, you pay for our food na.
Wow.
Later, Ana.
It's big. Wow, color blue.
Yeah.
Tingnan mo, pinapatong lang.
Snap. Smile. Ready? Alright, kidding show. Hoy! Nak, sige nak! Sige nak, lulutang ka dyan! Woo! Ang ganda rin ito guys, oh. Ito sila nagluluto ngayon ng inihaw. Layo ng inihawan, ah. Happy birthday! Advance happy birthday! Advance tayo nag-birthday today. Ay, tama na yung binili kong ganyan karami lang. 1, 2, 3. Wow! Pirasti. Yun, oh. Swimming 101, oh.
Done.
Ayan na maligo ng trantahin. Relax, relax. Gusto niya makapag-relax. Try mo minsan dito. So, here's the pizza. Marinate niya. Harap. Teddy. Hungry na, Teddy? Uy, hungry?
Kaya alam niya limitasyon niya.
Sponsor.
Sponsored by
Korean agency.
Great. Tumisika pa yung kuran pa akin.
Hindi natin up.
Mix ma, kasama yung
Oo.
Caesar dressing.
Hindi pa sabi ko.
Uy, sarap. Kailan ba kayo naging kayo?
Niligaw.
Documented to.
Niligaw pa lang.
Niligaw pa lang. Ganoon na pala ngayon, no? Ang
Ibabad mo muna yung mga
spinach.
para
Nga, titikman ko muna.
at may lime ng konti.
Tikman natin.
Ito naman si.
Hot. Nag-subside siya, no? Jump, nak, jump. Oh, don't jump there, ha? That's so mababaw. Ayun na po yung ate ko, matutulog na po. Ako dyan. Habang tumanda, nagiging ba doon? Good evening. Good evening.
Akala ko matutulog ka na. Ha? Patulog na kasi may araw na eh.
Teddy! Teddy! Takot si Teddy sa... Teddy! Hello! Hello! Yoti ba? See? Teddy likes me. Teddy! What? Hey! Ang ganda mo dyan. Oo, picture lang kita. Wait lang.
Mando. Kere.
Direct, okay na.
3. Ay, isa pa. 1, 2.
3.
Okay na yun.
Okay na. Oh, yakapin mo. May bayad yan, uy. Ikwenta kada isang ride.
Matrespass kayo dyan. Nagsa-soul searching.
Huwag mo ng video.
Ginagawa mo.
Soul searching.
Nagsa-soul searching sa akin. Ano ang ginagawa niya doon?
Tsura niya. Ano yan? Awa ka dyan, video. Picture? Ganda dyan, ah. Up. Malalim dyan, ah. Uy, sarap. Gawa niya po yan.
Ako may birthday.
Hindi naman. Sarap.
Say,
What do you say? The insect?
the insect wants to make a new house, but I said, do this for the girl.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
I love you.
I love you.
I love you, baby.
I love you,
Hi.
Dad.
I love you, baby.
I love you, Dad.
Don't sacrifice the insect, ah. Then we will gonna sweep it later, okay?
Swing right there in the pool.
Yeah, again.
Yay!
But we have to take rest for now because it's too hot, no? That's yours.
Yes, it's so cute.
So cute. See you, Villa Antonio. Bye. Birthday! Uy, ang ganda rito din, Wes, oh. Wow! Ganda, oh. Pino? Nak? Lokita?